Many of you were at the welcome dinner last night. These were on some of the tables. You hopefully took some of them home, and you are certainly welcome to. You might find, if you're a restaurant proprietor, that some people that are dining at your establishment would like to take them home. And so in order to get ahead of the curve on that one, you might actually use this as an upsell opportunity or a marketing opportunity. These items work well with engraving, so you could do your company logo, your name. Also for weddings, I was speaking with Chef Chris. He used to have a wedding catering company. That's the perfect event planning kind of service. They can really make use of these because you have them looking better, people feel better, and then you have them as gift bag takeaways. And you can even have an extra at the top of the table in a cute little bag, and then you have one actually functioning at the table with the date or the name of the bride and groom, the date of their wedding, something memorable. And you know they're going to get used, and you're going to be in your friends and family's memories forever with these items. Did you know that there are 15 million Americans that are suffering from food allergies, like life and death kind of stuff? And while all of us want to reduce the risk of contamination, for us just not get food poisoning, for them it's a life and death issue of not getting a piece of peanut protein that might be from a bar top or something ingested accidentally. And so Food Allergy Research and Education, otherwise known as FARE, I love a good acronym. They're very excited about getting Dining Elevated products out to their community. Lastly, if you happen to be a restaurant, do the napkin roll. If you think that you're exempt from making use of these items, it's the exact opposite. In some ways, it's even more important because a lot of times restaurants are setting them on the table. Basically, that's it. All you get is the roll of silverware when you sit down. There's not even a plate. So what's the first thing that we do? With manners, we unroll them, take our silverware out, and put our napkin in our lap. And then we set them on the table if there's nowhere else to put them. So if you actually place them in the napkin, the rolled napkin, on this item, you're communicating with your guests that, look, I'm looking out for you, I want you to feel comfortable, and here's a safe, elevated place to put your utensils when you've unwrapped your napkin. So that's a really great use for it. I will end with 2 weeks ago, there was a lawsuit that was brought to Applebees Corporation because a family had asked for hot water to be brought to their table, and that water unfortunately was poured on their baby, who ended up in the emergency room. But the reason that they brought that water to the table was to sterilize their utensils. And so it really is in the thought process for a lot of us. And I mentioned this last night to another gal, and she said, yeah, I do that every time I sit down. So it's an important thing for us to feel peace of mind when we're eating our meal. Okay, so I've got 3 more giveaways. Is there anybody who would be just dying to have some of these marble pieces in their home? Okay, we've got the first hand, second hand, I'm seeing third. Okay, back there. Come on down and you can pick your colors, and it's been such a pleasure speaking with all of you, and if you have questions, come on up and ask them after we're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.